Come inside of Hobby Lobby with me while I show you some things that we're going to purchase for our upcoming DIY projects.
She's over there. Hi. She said, oh, hi. You want to be on camera or no? No? She's my sweet love. This is Miriam, but she said, So, we came to Lumberton to go to the Hobby Lobby, and so I decided to do a tour for you guys because, you guys, I think this is like my favorite craft store now in the entire world. Like, I know that's a stretch, but they have so much cool stuff. And so I told Miriam, let's ride down here. We were going to get bird seeds. I said, let's just ride out. It takes us about 35-40 minutes to get here. So listen, I did get some stuff. I got some stuff I didn't need. I got some stuff I wanted, right? Even if I didn't need it, I wanted it. Right? So I got a mini haul. Let's put it that way. So I'm excited to share with you the things I picked up. Okay, you guys, so I didn't want to talk while I was in the store because it was crowded and I don't know how they feel about filming, but this whole section right here called Bead Design Company is 50% off. Just look at all the incredible yummies you get to choose from. I know I'm going a little fast, but don't worry, we're going to do a haul at the end. All of these are wooden beads and they are so pretty in all these different colors. Look, they even have leather pieces if you want to make leather earrings or add leather accompaniments to any of your own designs. And they have completed designs, which I think is really, really pretty. They have all these like Native American looking pieces, macrame, cacti. So much to choose from. I was like, good gracious, all this stuff is so gorgeous. I love the cactus. And so I didn't end up getting any of those finished jewelry pieces, but I did get a lot of beads. I wanted to show you all the leather string and cord because I noticed that, you noticed that I'm into making chokers right now. So this is the stretchy string that I use called Stretch Magic to make my bracelets. It comes in all these different sizes. I think it runs somewhere like around $2.99, $3.99. I didn't buy any because I already have a whole roll. I don't know why I went back over here to the leather stuff just to look at it. I think I accidentally took a picture or something. But look at all of these beads. Oh my gosh, look at all the little puffs have the preset holes already in them. They have all this plethora and mix of beads. You can make so much yummy goodness with. I'm thinking about doing some really long pearl necklaces with dangles on the end. I haven't decided yet, but these were all just so gorgeous, so incredible. These would be perfect for waist beads if you're into like the waist beads that people are making right now. I couldn't figure out if those were wooden or acrylic. I really wanted every last one of them, but I was like being cheap, so I didn't buy it. I'll probably go back and get them if I'm just gonna do something where I buy one thing and use my 40% off coupon. But I didn't do that today. I tried to use some type of restraint. But anyway, I thought all of these are really pretty. And these would make great holiday jewelry. This would make gorgeous year-round jewelry. I thought those alphabet beads were super cute, but I wasn't sure if the color would wear off or not. But look, that's something you can do with the jewelry. They already had pre-made bracelets. Look at the acrylic floral beads. I thought those were pretty if you're into the antique style jewelry. Look, they had some smiley faces up there, but they only had one pack, so I didn't buy them. Look, so many pony beads. I couldn't decide if I wanted the pony beads or not. I asked Miriam if she thought I should get them, and she said yes, but I just could not decide. Those are super cute. They remind me of kind of like a Middle Eastern genre, a Middle Eastern flair. All of these were so super cute. I think you could make like nostalgic type jewelry with. And so look at all of those wooden beads. Now I thought that had a lot to choose from, but then I felt like you'd have to paint them all. These are really pretty if you're into zebra print. Look at the cute little elephants. So much cute stuff. Dolly dolphins. They had unicorns. I like these silver alphabet beads. I didn't get them though. I did get the black and white alphabet beads. You'll see those later, only because I feel like they're so versatile. You can do different things with, but they had so many cross beads. I didn't buy those, although I wanted them. I thought they were really cute, but I couldn't figure out what design I would do with them. But maybe I'll go back and think about getting those the next time. Look at those crosses. I just realized now doing this video I forgot to pick those up. But not going back. So anyway, look also at all the jute and the hemp string. We have a project coming up with that I think is going to be really cool. This was Miriam. I didn't show her, but this is her over here looking at all the different little necklace components that she liked. I think she did end up getting one that was really pretty. I'm so excited. So as you know, we went to Hobby of the Lobby and we Did not spend a lot at all. Everything was on sale at 50% off. So I think we did really, really great. I think I was able to get one or two items. No, I'm sorry, one item using the 40% off coupon. But let's dig everything out so you can take a look at it. I'm just so excited. So let me get everything pulled out. Knows that teal and turquoise is one of my favorite colors. I love anything that's beach colored. But what was really fantastic about these, now all of these were 50% off, so they were only $1. What was really also awesome about these is that these are made of wood. Look how pretty they are. They almost look like glass beads. They are so beautiful. Completely made of wood. And then I loved these because they looked very Indian. Like the area that I'm in is known for the Lumbee Indian tribe down there when we went to Lumberton. So I wasn't surprised that they had something like this. So I love this whole look. We're gonna be making some things with those. And I know sometimes I think turquoise or teal is more of a summer color, but I don't think so. I think that Native American, that inspired jewelry is kind of a year-round, all the time thing. It doesn't go out of style or out of fashion. So look, then I got the brown ones. I thought these were really pretty as well. So let me show you these. So is it not the coolest thing that these are wooden seed beads? So pretty. Those are wooden. These are wooden disc beads. And look, I love the cowboy pattern. I love the cowboy boots. How cool are those? And then I thought these were so rich and just beautiful looking. I thought they would go really well together with those. So we got some of these. All of these were on sale. So those were like, what, $1.50? And those were $1.50, $1.50, and then all of those were $1. So I'm not sure if Hobby Lobby's just having a sale because it's Black Friday. I'm not sure, but guess what? I wasn't asking questions either. Oh, I forgot one. So there's another thing of wooden beads. They're kind of plain, but what I loved about them was that they had that turned kind of bead turn look, like if they were like a tiger eye or something like that. I thought they were so gorgeous. So look at these. Okay, I just had to have them, especially since we're in chokerlicious style right now. And I thought these would make a beautiful choker. I thought they'd make really pretty bracelets. And I couldn't tell if these were wooden or if these were acrylic or not because it didn't say. So I'll tell you once we open them up. They look like they may be wooden, which is really, really cool. So I love those. Let me show you what else we got. So I'll save the best for last. I love alphabet beads, and I have some kind of octagon or octagonal, whatever the right word is, shaped alphabet beads. But what I loved about these is they were square. Now I had my hands on some tiny ones, and Miriam said I should have gotten them, but I don't know, they just seem babyish. Not babyish, but just too small. Like you wouldn't be able to read the words. But anyway, I may go back and get them, I'm not sure. But I got these so I could make some positive statement jewelry. I love that. I love the bracelets I've made with something similar to that before. I've never sold them before, but I'm going to this time. Now these are the pièce de résistance. So at first I was thinking, well, these are kind of summery, but they are fluorescent beads. How beautiful, cool, and colorful are they? These are gonna be some super cool bracelets and baublets. I don't know what we're gonna do with them, but they just reminded me of planets. I don't know, I saw them, this one reminded me of some type of nebula. I don't know, like the Milky Way. But I was like, we're gonna make something so gorgeous with these. And they were actually just $2.99. So I'm trying to think of what was on sale. What did they give me the discount on? I used $2.09, so it was something that was $3.49. She didn't even find my highest price item. People could be so lazy sometimes. So they gave me the 40% off of those. But anyway, look you guys, I got the best stuff. I feel like I got so many great finds. We're gonna make so much cool jewelry. I feel like I hit the mother load, and I used a gift card that my clients gave me. My clients surprised me with a gift card just because I just wanted to cry when I got it in the mail. I thought it was so sweet, but they said because I had been doing so much running around looking for their dream home location, they wanted to bless me, so they blessed me with a gift card, and it was a lot. It was a huge amount. I was so happy. So I used the gift card to buy all this yummy goodness. So look,
that made it even better because I didn't have to pay my own money, right? So anyway, look at all the good stuff that we got, the great things that we're gonna make some super great cool stuff with. I think that's everything in the bag. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else is in there. I wanted to share my haul with you and just let you see what all the yummy goodness was that Hobby Lobby had to offer. It owes me nothing today.